This one is standard form. Okay. Okay, the water molecule consists of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atoms. The mass of the hydrogen is 1.674 and the mass of oxygen is 2.657 times 10 power negative 23. So for water molecule, we already mentioned that water is equal H2O. So we will need to take 2 multiplied by hydrogen is 1.674 times 10 the power of negative 24 plus 1 hydrogen 2.657 times 10 the power of negative 23. So when you key into calculator, you straight away can get the answer. 1.674 times 10 the power of negative 24 plus 2.657 times 10 the power of negative 23. So your final answer will be 2.9918 times 10 the power of 23 grams. So that's the answer for part 1. So the mass, find the mass of the 3.3 times 10 the power of 5 water molecule. Find the mass. So 1 molecule is 2 times 9918 times 10 the power 23. So to find the part B, it will be 3 times 10 the power 5 times 2.9918 times 10 the power 23. So answer will be 3 times 10 the power 5 times 2.9918 times 10 the power negative 23. So this will give you 8.9754 times 10 the power negative 18. So in exam, there shouldn't be a need to round off because it's exact number. Number of hydrogens in 100 grams of water. Okay, so if you want to find number of molecules equals to 100 grams divided by per 1 H2O. So 100 grams divided by 2.9918 times 10 the power of 23. So 100 divided by 2.9918 times 10 the power of 23. This will give you 3 times 3, 4 times 10 the power of 24. Okay, So this is a round off answer, so must put round off to 3, significant figure.